Namaste everyone. You are watching Yoga with Thakur Anand Yogi, or today I'm going to teach you stick yoga sequence. So please first sit straight with any comfortable posture, relax yourself. Palm facing should be up. Make sure your body is stable. Now observe your breath. Then inhale, exhale. One more inhale, then exhale. Now one time Om chanting. Inhale, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Relax yourself. Now please slowly join your hands, rub your palms. Place your palms gently on your eyes and slowly open your eyes with your blinkings. Then inhale, bring the hands over the head. Then exhale, hands down. So my friends, for stick yogas, I'm going to change my side, okay? As you can see, I'm turning my face to the straight. Now we have a stick. Please take your stick, okay? The gap just should be more than your knees or equal more than your shoulders. Then inhale, then exhale, bring hands down here slowly. Inhale, come to center. Then exhale. Inhale, bring hands over the head. Exhale, slowly rotate from the shoulder joints, bring hands down. Hit wow hai tai lane. Thao za tu tu tai swan. Hit wow hai tai lane. Thao za tu tu hai tai swan. Inhale, come to the center. Then exhale, hands down. Last one, inhale. Then exhale. Slowly bring hands up. Inhale. Then exhale, hands down. Now in and then exhale. Slowly try to hold here, please. Yes, your shoulders and your arms should be one equal line. Then inhale, center. Exhale, down. Touch the stick on your knees. Look down. Maximum stretch your spinal cord muscles so you can touch into chest. Inhale, then slowly bring the stick on your shoulders. Exhale, quite cross your hands here. Then inhale and then exhale. Slowly go to the right side. Look to the left. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, go to the left side. You look to the right side. Hit wow. Thosa, right side. Hit wow, come to center. Thosa. One more. Hit wow. Thosa. Right side. Look to the left side. Hold place. Maximum we can try. Remember, lung tai mam thang hang. Inhale, center. Exhale, look to the right side, okay? Here. Keep breathing, remember, please. Yes, then inhale, center. Exhale, one more time, bring the stick down. Then slowly cross your left hand. And please try to bring your left hand just maximum close to your scapula bone. And look to the left side here. Then slowly make your left hand straight. Catch the stick. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring the stick down to the left side. Then gap, tai phi. Yes, yin, thigh 5. Maximum you can make your right hand close. Keep breathing, remember please, okay, here continuously. Then inhale, come to the center, then twisting, exhale to the right side. First maximum we can try to twist here. Inhale, center, exhale to the left side, hit wow, center, tauza to the right side, hit wow, center, tauza bing chai mom lung thang vai tai thang hang, hit wow, tauza. Now please we can try to hold here, hit wow again, tauza. Yes please, tai vai thang, hold maximum. You can try mom lung thang or keep breathing, come nin thao. Now please inhale, come to the center, then exhale, go to the right side please. Your shoulders arm try to be equal, don't hold your breath. Look right side behind your hip and the back, try to straight please. Inhale, center, and then exhale slowly please. Now bring the stick down, okay. Now last, back in the front bang, roll the shoulder back please. Shoulder joints, bring stick back on the lower back. Now please catch it maximum close, make elbows in, shoulders back, then inhale, lift chest, exhale, stretch your throat muscles. Inhale, then exhale, make hands straight please. One hand up, one hand down, stretch your shoulder joints, forehead on the floor. Once again, yes please, bring the stick on the back, lower back, then inhale and then exhale. Once again, properly stretch your back, stretch your neck. Inhale and then exhale. Thang hai tai, thang lung chan chak san, hit wow. Bring the stick back, then tauza. Once again, try to stretch the back maximum. Stomach in, hobub, kam lung ma chut yin lane. Then tauza. Tu swang place, tu chan chak san, thang hai tai. Remember mum swang. Then inhale slowly. Once again, bring the stick back on your lower back place. Elbows in, roll shoulders back. Lift your chest up maximum, stretch your throat muscles, then look up. Then please inhale, bring stick forward, and then exhale, right hand up, left hand down, stretch your shoulder joints. Last one, inhale, come to the center, and then exhale. Once again, lift chest maximum, elbows in, shoulders back. Stretch your throat muscles and keep breathing. Remember please, okay, here don't hold your breath. Then inhale, bring stick forward, okay, here. Then exhale, make sure you can make balance, okay, here. Yes, your stick is not moving, stick also stable there, please remember. Okay my friend, then slowly put the stick down please, okay, here. So maybe we're sitting longer, so maybe a little bit, okay, legs pain, okay. So please, for that, to relaxation, relax, make your legs straight and then shake your legs, okay, here. Yes please. Then once again, cross your legs, place your hands on your knees with the palms up, relax your shoulder joints, facial muscle, gently keep your eyes closed. Once again, observe your breath, focus on your breath maximum. Sound, release all kind of stress, all kind of negativity, bring the positivity in your life. Now please rub your palms, place your palms on your eyes and gently open your eyes with your blinkings. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Namaste.